Yeah, we had some pretty specific problems that we were trying to solve using BigID. One, we wanted to automate our data classification. We're spending a lot of time manually classifying our data on a regular basis, and we knew at the scale we were growing, we needed to go faster. So that was a big one. The other piece is accuracy and avoiding the human error that occurs, letting humans validate, but avoiding that initial inaccuracy. And then finally, a big part of BigID for us is unstructured data. So being able to look at unstructured data in a way that we haven't today across a number of different data sources, figure out what we have, and action it appropriately. The thing I like most about working with BigID is probably the interoperability with the systems that we have at ServiceNow, whether that's our HR systems or our own ServiceNow platform. That connectivity and communication between the tools really enables us to know more faster and allows us to make better decisions around our data, reducing risk, making sure our data is right-sized and in the right hands. That's incredibly powerful. And to be able to do that across all of these platforms and then communicate that with ServiceNow, what a great win for us. We looked at BigID and its competitors and went with BigID because the interoperability of the tool, the connectivity, the compatibility out of the box with systems that we already own, and the ease with which we can build custom connections, extend the application, using the toolkits provided BigID and our own resources, making the tool do what we need in a timely fashion has always been key. Resources are always limited, and systems that are easy to use and out-of-the-box connective are very valuable. BigID checked all those boxes for us. My favorite feature of BigID is probably the connectivity of it all. The API library that you have access to in the doc site of BigID is incredible. It allows you to understand how the tool works, hook it to other systems, make BigID truly a part of your ecosystem and lifecycle. Hooking that into what we do at ServiceNow with our workflow is incredibly powerful, and we're seeing those benefits every day and only getting better.